Okay, let's take a look at the trading recap from today and what we meant by a failed breakdown. So let's go ahead and go into replay mode here. We'll go back to the opening. So I'll go ahead and play, but what you want to see here is as price opens at that kind of 40.80 mark, we push down, but we never closed below 40.75. And then look at this 5-minute candle that we pushed down. It never closed before 40.75. Now you could have taken a long here, would have taken some heat here, but you always want to wait for a retest. You got that retest, and look at that candle. And from here, goodbye Rally City. So again, the other things you want to be keeping an eye for, look at the volume here. It starts to decrease, right? You don't have a lot of pressure from the bears pushing this price back down. They're attempting to do it, and then what you're seeing here is price is starting to magnet itself to the 10 EMA, and then it overtakes the 10 EMA, and then uses it as a level of support almost until here, and then you can see a fake out, a liquidity grab, and then again it starts to rally and go off. So again, just because price breaks through a level doesn't guarantee that it's going to stay there. And you can see this is an extremely bullish candle, 5-minute candle here. And if you follow kind of our first half hour of waiting patiently and waiting, you could have seen that right here on this candle is when you could have looked for an entry. And then you would have seen a double bottom. It rejected it. And you could have set a stop loss even down to 40.70, about a 5-point drawdown. Again, manage your risk, and then you could have taken this all the way up today and just let it sit and ride out. So again, lots of opportunities here. You can always draw a trend line here to kind of follow that intraday, and then there we go. We get our final push. We hit our price target. Hit our price target once here. And then we get, if you had a runner left, you could have gotten a few more points from there. But stress-free, just a nice ride up all throughout that failed breakdown.